Alright guys, so you guys have been asking about it, and here it is. We're going to be working on the chopper bike today. So, let's get into it. Lever here for the clutches broke off, so I just hooked the clutch up to the front brake lever, move the front brakes over to the rear brake handle, because the rear brakes need to be adjusted, but front brakes are good enough. But we're going to get into tearing this apart, so... Right now it's not getting spark, and this here's like janked together, so we're just gonna put a new coil on it and a new CDI and see if we can get spark from it. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, possibly a pair of wire cutters depending on if it's zip tied on, and let's see, a pair of pliers I think. Guys, I picked this up for $50, so I'm not complaining about having to do a little bit of work on it. Oh, I also had to fix the throttle cable. I replaced that. I just had one laying around the shop, so. There's a rubber grommet that's always right here. You gotta pull that out. Unhook this. Take the old stuff, throw it to the side because it's garbage. Put our spark plug back in the cylinder head because you don't want to lose it. This just wiggles on off. The ground is always separate, so just pull that out. Pull that out, put it off to the side, it's trash. Try to line that up sideways so your magnets don't stick to it as much. Feed the new wires through the hole. Might be a little bit tricky. Always do the black wire first. Makes it a little easier. Now the black wires are ground, so that has to be screwed in with the new coil. The screw with 2 washers on it goes to hold the ground in place. I recommend starting these by hand. I'm just using a little Craftsman cordless screwdriver. Just to save a little time. And go through with a screwdriver, snug them up. Take the little rubber grommet that you pulled out earlier. Mine's actually cut in half, so that just shows that someone's been in here already. Wiggle it back into place. Alright. So, everything comes with new hardware, I'm pretty sure, when you order it. I'm not exactly sure. So I just stole my brother's parts off of his bike and made him order new ones. And we're just zip tying this on. Sorry if the angle's not very good. The brackets don't actually work for these big old thick frames, so zip ties will do. You don't want these close to the exhaust because that is not a good Black to black, blue to blue. Try to keep them away from the exhaust. The white wire is actually, from what I've read and learned about these, is for like a small light. So I'm just going to zip tie mine out the way so it's not rubbing on the exhaust. Until I can find a light that might actually work. That'd be pretty cool. Put a little light on this. Alright guys, now let's see if it gets sparked with this new / used coil that we know is good. Hopefully you guys can see this and I don't get shocked. Oop, blue wire came unhooked. Take two. Ooh, nice blue strong spark. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but that's what we want. So, unhook the spark plug, put it in. Make sure you tighten that up real good. I'm just going to hand tighten it for now. Then we're going to put the cover back on. And then that's that. And maybe next video or later on in this video, I'm not exactly sure. We'll see if we can get it to start up. all good. We got some fuel in it. So and that is done. Make sure we turn the fuel on this time. I didn't wire up the kill switch, but that works for killing it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video, so leave a like and comment. Tell me what you think. Might do a riding video later, not sure. It's a little cold out here.